Hello and welcome to Track to Realty Weekly Headline Show. I am Ravi Sinha and the top news from Indian real estate this week. The Supreme Court has said that the functioning of RERA is disappointing. Appearing before a bench of Justice Suryakant and N. Koteshwar Singh, the Council of Mahira Homes Welfare Association said if project fails, it affects various stakeholders and sought the court's intervention in strengthening the regulatory mechanism for the real estate sector. The Supreme Court proposes a CBI probe into builder-bank nexus and said SIT is needed to probe nexus between builders, banks and interim resolution professionals. The court was hearing petitions filed by thousands of home buyers who had booked flat under subvention scheme in various housing projects in NCR. The buyers allege that they are being forced by the banks to pay EMI even when they were yet to get possession of their flats because of inordinate delay by developers. Gujarat government caps transfer fee at rupees 1 lakh for housing societies. The move aims to prevent housing societies from arbitrary fee on property transfers, which has been a common grievance among the home buyers and sellers. Delhi government says police permission not needed to carry out construction. The government circular says there is no provision under Delhi Municipal Corporation Act 1957 by which a person is required to seek police permission for carrying out construction. Delhi government mandates all high-rise buildings to install anti-smog guns. Rising pollution was a major election issue where Aam Aadmi Party and BJP blamed each other for the same. National Company Law Tribunal (NCLT) has initiated insolvency proceedings against Ansal API. The NCLT has appointed an interim resolution professional to evaluate Ansal API projects in Lucknow, Noida and other cities. Some of the buyers of Ansal API are waiting for possession since 2009. FIR has also been registered against Ansal API after the instructions of Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, who instructed the officials to take strict action to safeguard the interests of home buyers. The Supreme Court has said that interim moratorium under IBC Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code does not shield individuals or companies from regulatory penalties imposed under consumer protection laws. Under Section 96 of the IBC, an interim moratorium comes into effect and leads to suspension of all pending legal proceedings against a corporate debtor. Enforcement Directorate arrests Ashish Bhalla, the promoter of WTC Group in money laundering case. After raids by Enforcement Directorate against WTC Group and Bhutani Group, the parent body World Trade Center Association has terminated 13 licenses against WTC Noida and Aspire Tech Park. ED has identified assets worth thousands of crores in searches against WTC Group and Bhutani Group. A bankruptcy court in Mumbai has allowed an extension of 90 days for the revival of Lavasa Corporation in an application filed by its interim resolution professional. The planned city project is undergoing a fresh corporate insolvency resolution process after the National Company Law Tribunal directed to restart the whole process after successful bidder failed to implement the approved resolution plan within the timeline. Blackstone and Sattva Group filed draft offer document for rupees 7,000 crore REIT IPO. Blackstone will have 55% equity stake in Knowledge Realty Trust and Sattva Group will retain 45% stake. Bombay High Court has ruled that tenants can't challenge the demolition of illegal buildings. The Nagpur bench of Bombay High Court said that tenants occupying illegal constructed buildings have no legal rights to challenge the demolition notices. IBBI, Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India, amends insolvency process rules To each home buyer's vote, one of the important changes empower resolution professional after obtaining approval from committee of creditors and upon fulfillment of all obligations can now hand over possession of plots, apartments or buildings to the home buyers while the resolution process is still going. Supreme Court 6 Compliance Report on Amrapali Group cases. A bench of Justice Bela M. Trivedi and Satish Chandra Sharma said the cases related with 45,000 home buyers could not go on indefinitely and asked for a report on compliance to its directions on the matter.
बिजनेस की बात तो सब करते हैं, लेकिन क्या मीडिया का रोल महज कंपनीज के प्रॉफिट और लॉस अकाउंट का हिसाब रखना रह गया है? कितनी इन्वेंट्री सेल हुई, कितना बिजनेस में आया इन्वेस्टमेंट, इन सब की बहस के बीच पूछता है आम आदमी, इसमें मेरे लिए क्या है? कहीं ऑल्टरनेटिव मीडिया भी इंस्टीट्यूशनल मीडिया की तरह गॉसिपिंग करते हुए अपनी क्रेडिबिलिटी तो नहीं खोता जा रहा है? जाने अनजाने कहीं हर कंटेंट क्रिएटर बिल्डर की पीआर प्रोपेगेंडा का हिस्सा तो नहीं बनता जा रहा है? कौन करेगा हाशिए पर खड़े आम आदमी के काम की बात? सब्सक्राइब कीजिए ट्रैक टू रियलिटी यूट्यूब चैनल। यहां होती है आपके मतलब की बात।